Hi, I'm Chris Stephen, founder of My Health Coach and the creator of the W.I.S.D.O.M program. Before we get started, I just want to thank you for taking the time to watch this video, but more importantly, taking the step to become healthier, stronger, and more resilient. Over this video, I'm going to take you through my philosophy and the pillars of the W.I.S.D.O.M program. But more importantly, I want you to take from this video the level of commitment that is required to make this program work. Because I want you to understand that while I'll be delivering to you the knowledge and the expertise that I've gained over the last 25 plus years, you've got to understand that you've got to be willing, able, and ready to take on this program and become healthier, stronger, and more resilient yourself. So, why do the majority of programs for over 50s fail in delivering the results they promised? Well, you've probably experienced this yourself. You started a program, you're dedicated to it, you're motivated, but then life gets in the way. Challenges and obstacles get thrown in front of you, more work commitments, family commitments, maybe an injury, maybe doing a lot of traveling. And no matter how dedicated you are to the program, you just find you can't commit to it. So you stop and you promise yourself that you'll come back and do it again. But that never happens. And it's not you, it's not your willpower that's motivation that's the problem, it's the system. The plan hasn't fitted in with you, who you are. And this is where the W.I.S.D.O.M program is different. What I'll teach you for the W.I.S.D.O.M program is how you can overcome those obstacles, those challenges, how you can adapt the plan to fit in with who you are and what your life is giving you at that time. Only then can you be consistent in doing the habits and behaviors that are necessary. So if you are someone who's tried endless programs in the past and found that, yes, they start off strong, but they always fade out, then the W.I.S.D.O.M program is for you. Because it's going to teach you how to become that person who can overcome those obstacles and those challenges and keep moving forward through consistency and resilience. So what is resilience and why is it so important, especially over the age of 50 and as we age? Well, we change as we get older. We can't do what we used to be able to do. Hormones change, life changes, we don't recover so quickly. So we have to approach this differently to what we have done previously. Resilience isn't just about mental toughness, it's about your ability to adapt, to overcome, to be able to keep going no matter how challenging or uncomfortable the situation is. As we get older, that's more important than a nutrition plan, a meal plan. Because without that, you're not going to be able to stick to something long enough to see the results you want. And that's where the W.I.S.D.O.M program comes in. The W.I.S.D.O.M program, first and foremost, teaches you resilience, helps you build the identity of someone who doesn't give up, who keeps going and doing what they need to do. No matter how small the action is or how short the action is, you just keep turning up and doing what's necessary. That is what resilience is, and that's what most people lack when it comes to keep moving forward, to keep achieving the goals they want, not just achieving the goals, but able to sustain the results that they got by achieving that goal. So the W.I.S.D.O.M program is not just about what you eat, how you train, how much you sleep. It's about changing you as a person, your identity, to someone who just won't give up and will keep going until they achieve what they want. So what is the W.I.S.D.O.M program? Well, let's break it down by the 6 core principles. The first one is willpower. got to understand that willpower is limited. It's going to run out. So you can't rely on it. But what you can do is help it. And that's through building the right systems. Systems that will allow you to overcome unforeseen obstacles and barriers, but also reduce the friction in being consistent in performing the actions, behaviors that you know you need to do to achieve your health goal. So the system will always prop up willpower or help it, where willpower on its own will always fade out. The next principle is identity. If you, for example, 16 stone and you want to be a 12 stone person, or for my American friends, if you're 200 pounds and you want to be 150 pounds, you've got to take on the identity of the person that you want to become. So what does it take to be a 12 stone or 150 pound person? What do they do on a daily basis? What type of person are they? Because they're different from who you are. So you've got to take on that identity. But also, whatever it takes to achieve that goal, you've got to then sustain it. So you've got to become a new person. And that's where a lot of people struggle. The next pillar of the Wisdom program is achieving small wins and keeping things simple. Most people, when they start off, will try to take on too much too soon. They go for the stars. And what you've got to do is just go for the first win, the first thing you need to do, the most simple thing. Don't overcomplicate it. Find out what you can do and what you can achieve easily. That'll help you move forward. The more complex it is, the more challenging it is at the start, the more likely you won't be consistent. You won't be able to stick to it. Now, this takes a different type of mindset when it comes to how quickly you want to achieve your goals. People who rush to achieve their goals end up doing things that aren't sustainable. They might help them progress, they might even get them to achieve their goals, but they won't stay there because what they did to get there is too challenging, too difficult to keep doing. So start off with something very small and very simple, and then build. Every time you win, every time you are successful, no matter how small, it starts creating that winning mentality, that identity, that if you're going to do something, you're going to win at it. The next pillar is design your environment. Your environment will either help you or hinder you when it comes to achieving your goals. And an environment that hinders is one that's going to make it more difficult than it needs to be. So, for example, if you always have got ultra-processed food in the house and your goal is to eat less of that, if it stays in the house, your willpower, your ability to not have it is going to be greatly reduced. So create an environment that doesn't hinder you but helps you, one that's more conducive to what you want to achieve than what you currently have. The next pillar is obstacles. This journey is going to be challenging. It's going to throw at things that you didn't expect. The rest of the world is not going to play ball. So there's going to be obstacles. How do we get around those obstacles? Is we plan ahead. We know they're going to come, so what do we need to do when they happen? We can't avoid them, but we can work around them. To some extent, we could work with them. They can actually become something that helps us. And the last one is mindset. Anyone successful in any walks of life, but especially in health and well-being, they have a certain mindset that they have to doing the things they know they need to do. The difference between what we call a growth mindset and a fixed mindset. A growth mindset is a mindset that helps you keep looking for the solution. You might not be able to always be successful, but what you can do is learn from the moments when you're not. Take that and apply it to the next time, and the next time, the next time. That's a growth mindset. But a fixed mindset is you keep saying to yourself, I knew this wasn't going to work. Why is it I'm always failing? Whatever I do is not going to change how I am. So the mindset, that's the thing that brings all the other pillars together. So willpower, identity, environment, overcoming obstacles and challenges. The mindset is the one that brings them all together. So what the Wisdom program does, yes, it teaches you how to use your willpower more effectively. It teaches you how to become someone else, build a new identity. It helps you design the right environment, and it teaches you how to overcome obstacles and challenges. But it's the mindset change is what the Wisdom program really delivers. And through the 12-week program, I will work with you to help you change that mindset to one that's going to help you move forward and achieve the goals that you want. What makes the 12-week Wisdom program different? Well, first of all, it's not a 12-week challenge. It's not even a 12-week diet or exercise plan. It's a program that's going to teach you how to become more resilient, stronger, and consistent in following the right habits and behaviors to achieve your goals. I personally will work with you every day through coaching lessons, through accountability, to show you and to help you become the person that you need to become to achieve your goals. We will finally break that cycle of stop-start that you're probably used to doing every time you decide to go after your health goals. Yes, I will teach you about nutrition, exercise, weight loss, how to become stronger, how to become fitter. But more importantly, I'll help you become that person that doesn't give up, that always is progressing, moving forward. And after you've achieved your goals, be that person who actually can sustain those results for a lifetime. You'll also be part of a community of like-minded people who are also working on becoming more resilient, more consistent in living a healthy life. Over 12 weeks, you'll learn more than you've ever learned when it comes to what it takes to be stronger, fitter, and healthier over the age of 50. This program is not for everyone. This program is for people who are tired of the boom and bust approach to achieving health goals. They're tired of always starting out with good intentions and high levels of motivation, but very soon give up on doing what they know they have to do. This program isn't a quick fix. It requires discipline, resilience, and consistency. My most successful clients have common traits, and they are just that: resilience, perseverance, and consistency. Without those three, no matter how good your diet or exercise plan is, you won't stick with it long enough to actually get the results you want. So this program is for people who have finally said to themselves, enough is enough. Got to do this the right way. I need to learn what it takes to stick to something long enough to achieve the results I'm looking for. If you are someone who's looking for a quick fix, who just wants results quickly but can't sustain them, then this program isn't for you. But if you are someone who is actually looking long term and saying, the time and effort I'm going to put in now will give me results that are going to last me for years to come. If you're that person, then this program is right for you. Because over the next 12 weeks, you will change who you are and become that person who sees things through to the end and will stick with something long enough to get the results they're looking for. If this video has resonated with you and you finally want to break that stop-start cycle when it comes to achieving your health goals, then the next step is very simple. Just click on the button below and book your free 90-minute personalized health assessment. During our call, we will put together a roadmap, an action plan that will help you move forward and gain more clarity of what's needed to become that person that is resilient and consistent in doing what they have to do. I will provide you with a personalized plan on how you should eat, exercise, sleep, how to manage your time and stress, and you'll walk away with more knowledge and understanding of how to move forward, but also to overcome what's holding you back. And if you do decide to then book onto the W.I.S.D.O.M program and give me 12 months of your life, I will change your life forever. You're never too old, you're never too unhealthy to finally make the changes necessary and achieve the life that you want. It will take hard work and dedication, but your time and energy will pay off with achieving the best health results that you've ever had in your life. I look forward to meeting you and helping you become the person that you've always desired to be.